What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind?
What it do, crew? Welcome back to another video. Today we are making churros. This is the very first episode of Cooking with Kay. There are many more to come, but today we got churros. So I got a recipe, pulled it up. It's from Natasha's Kitchen. It's on my laptop, that's what I'm looking at right now. natasha'skitchen.com. That's where I got the recipe from. It calls for 1 cup, half a cup of water, half a cup of whole milk, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, so that's a whole stick, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a cup of all-purpose flour, 4 large cold eggs, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then oil to fry the churros. First step says, in a medium saucepan, it says a medium saucepan. I'm gonna use this. Half a cup of water, half a cup of milk, teaspoon of sugar. Like, this is a lot. Okay. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. This is me. So while we're waiting, how's life? What are y'all up to? I don't have that many subscribers, so we're on to 100. Get me to 100 subscribers. Follow me on my social medias: Instagram, Kaylani Danae; Twitter, Kaylani Danae. I don't really use Facebook. Yeah. Let's see. So the next step says remove from heat and immediately stir in. Whoa there. Remove from heat and immediately stir in 1 cup of flour all at once. Okay. Now we're gonna use, I don't have a wooden spoon, so we're gonna use this spatula. Steamy in here. 1 cup of flour ready. Yo, I'm like kind of whispering right now because like it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Like, that's not that late. My family kind of still probably sort of woke. Okay, it's boiling. Oh, what is that? Remove from heat and immediately stir it in. Okay. Once it's all incorporated, put it in a mixing bowl. That was worse than opening a cake in the middle of the night. Can I do it? Too good. I'm too good. Too good. Pour me in sturdy. Because guess what? I'm not using the oven. y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like slimy. Ooh, okay. And that's supposed to heat up. So it's on 247 right now. That's supposed to be at 350. Pretty sure it's not supposed to sound like that. I think it was still wet. But now we gotta fill this up. Check the temperature. 350. Alright, we're dropping the first one in there already. Let's see here. It didn't come out with a star shape. Taste this. It busted open. Look at that. It's not bumpy anymore. It looks like a hot dog though. I'm sleepy. It is now 2 o'clock in the morning. On camera reaction of what it tastes like. Got a little more crunch. Kind of excited me. It's actually not bad. Yeah. With ice cream, it's not, but I give it a 6 out of 10. Mainly because I made errors with like making it and stuff, and I feel like probably would have came out better if I followed directions for real. But it's pretty good. That's it for today's video. I'm gonna have another one for y'all next week, of course. Same day, Friday. Make sure you follow all my social medias to keep up. That's it. See you next week. Bye.